Hi everyone, this month on Patreon we'll be continuing where we finished last month. We made this ground cracking Houdini, we imported that into the game engine, we added a bit more details to it as well, and this month we'll be just adding some effects to it. So as you can see, I've got some sparks that go into the sides and towards the top as well. They're actually in the front of the spike. We're gonna create that spike and we're just gonna add it to our Niagara system in Unreal Engine. And in Unity, we're gonna do something similar. We got spike as well, and we're just gonna keep adding details to it and tweaking the timing of it. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this one. This was the two-part tutorial that we did, spread into 2 months actually. So I'm hoping it wasn't too technical for you, especially the Houdini part, and I hope you're gonna enjoy the second part where we're gonna be adding those additional effects and details to our effect.